Hi, this is Lee from EasyLights.com. This tutorial video will walk you through the steps needed to obtain a pairing code from your EasyLights controller, explain what that code is, and how it is used. A pairing code can be obtained with the controller powered on after it has completed its startup process and has an active internet connection. The startup process is complete when the controller displays source E131 as seen here, or standalone if it were running in standalone mode. A pairing code can be obtained with the controller in either E131 or standalone operating mode. An active internet connection is also required to obtain a pairing code. Internet connectivity is verified by the orange light at the bottom of the EasyLights CPU board. If the EasyLights controller has an active wireless connection, the light will be blinking as seen here. If the controller has an active wired connection, it will be lit solid. The EasyLights controller will always use the wired connection in cases where both are available. To obtain the pairing code, first press the Enter button to bring up the main menu. If it is not already highlighted, press the down button several times until the pairing menu item is highlighted. Press the Enter button to bring up the pairing menu. With the pairing menu displayed, press the Enter button again. Please wait will be displayed on the bottom of the screen. Within a few seconds, the screen will update with a 6-digit number on the bottom line. That number is your pairing code. A pairing code is a globally unique number used to register a specific EasyLights controller to your EasyLights.com account and is only valid for 30 minutes from the time it was obtained. If your pairing code expires before completing the registration process, simply restart the pairing process from the main menu of your EasyLights controller. A pairing code may also be requested by an EasyLights technical support representative in order to provide remote diagnostics and assistance. This two-way pairing process prevents unauthorized access to your EasyLights controller. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.